the sound of gratitude. Spain's emergency service workers showed their support for the medical staff working around the clock to care for the nation's soaring number of coronavirus patients.
It's so stressing my life.
Every day, 50 to 60 patients.
Health workers have been struggling with the huge stretch on resources.
Unfortunately, the worst is yet to come. Tough days lie ahead. We will see the impact of the hardest, most damaging hour that will push to its limits our material and moral capacities, as well as our tenacity as a society.
The country's lockdown is having some unintended repercussions. Spain's Prime Minister urged the nation to prepare itself emotionally and psychologically for the coming challenges. Spain is racing to finish construction of temporary hospitals, including transforming Madrid's largest exhibition centre to provide over 5,000 additional beds.
February 7th, I went to the West District of Wuhan Union Hospital. This building has been converted into a Level 3 protection quarantine ward for treating seriously ill coronavirus patients. Doctors and nurses here have to work 6 hours without rest. They can't drink, eat, or even use the toilet. I was led inside with a GoPro, which had to be put into disinfectant for a whole day after filming. But as I entered one of the wards, I was told that I can't take anything into the quarantine area. The doctors and nurses here have to wear 2 layers of protective suits, hand gloves, shoe covers, face masks, and goggles before entering the special ward. Here I met Dr. Tang Xin, who hasn't been home for 2 weeks. The bells of the patients haven't stopped ringing. Nurses have to rush to attend to them all the time. Changing diapers for the patients is part of Nurse Zhu Peipei's job. The severely ill patients need special care. Medical workers in Wuhan are facing mounting pressure, but Tang believes the future is bright. The doctors have had to separate themselves in hotels from their families. When after 6 hours of intensive work, Dr. Tang Xing is finally able to take off his protective gear. He has a rash all over his body.
你工作的时候一直在忙，就也顾不上，反正就感觉没那么痒。对。
We are doing our best, but maybe it's not enough.
Hospitalized coronavirus patients have been forced to leave their pets at home, and the restrictions on movement means friends and relatives have been unable to retrieve the abandoned pets. So these volunteers in Madrid have been rescuing the animals, looking after them until they can eventually be reunited, hopefully, with their recovered owners.